Welcome to the fourth part of Noble Gold Investments, Investing in Gold series. You've heard me say several times that gold has zero counterparty risk and may have asked what that is and why we need to avoid it. First, let's understand what a counterparty risk is, and then we'll get into the other issues. So counterparty risk is the possibility that the other party in the contract will not live up to their end of the bargain. In almost everything we do, we face counterparty risk. When you buy a computer or a phone, there's always a risk that the device won't function properly. When you buy a car, it could break down, even if it's brand new. Even that the food you just ordered may not be what you expected. Maybe it doesn't taste right, maybe it's undercooked. There is perhaps no more important arena in which counterparty risk can have a significant impact than finance. While these risks may be something we don't even think about, when it comes to our finances, it should be a different story. Suppose you hold 10,000 shares in a company called 12345. Let's say the value of that stock is $40. That means you have $400,000. Then news hits, the company's main product is being pulled out of the market. Everyone sells, and by the time you get to your account, it is plunged to $1. That happened recently with Beyondspring Pharmaceuticals, a global pharmaceutical company focused on the development of cancer therapeutics. It was selling around the $15 mark. The FDA then said they cannot approve its chemotherapy drug, and it plunged to $3 for the stock in a matter of hours. Are we saying don't invest in stocks because it has counterparty risk? Absolutely not. As I've said earlier, counterparty risk is in everything we do. We're simply saying diversification into an asset that has zero counterparty risk, like gold, is helpful. It can't default, it cannot fall, it cannot go bankrupt. That's why it's a hedge. That's why it is stable. That's why it's used by countries, billionaires, and millionaires to protect the value of their wealth. And if it's good enough for them, that's saying something.